In this video, I'll show you how to fix the "you need to format the disk before you can use it" error on a USB flash drive in Windows 11 without losing your data. First, connect your USB flash drive to your computer. Wait a few seconds until Windows detects it. If the format message appears, click Cancel. Do not click Format Disk if you want to keep your files. Now, click the Start button. Type Command Prompt. Right-click Command Prompt. Select Run as Administrator. Click Yes if the User Account Control window appears. Check the drive letter of your USB flash drive. It could be D drive, E drive, F drive, or another letter. For example, if your USB drive is H drive, type CHKDSK, H drive/F. Press Enter. Wait for Windows to scan and repair the USB flash drive. When the process is complete, type Exit and press Enter. Close Command Prompt. Open File Explorer. Open your USB flash drive and check if your files are accessible again. That's it. This is how you can fix the "you need to format the disk before you can use it" error on a USB flash drive in Windows 11 without losing your data.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.